So, in a few hours, families across the world will be pigging out at the Christmas table, but not everyone will be hamming it up for the holidays. Isn't it, Kareem? We've got the idol vegan goddess herself. Last time she come, she deal with me a waist still, you know. But what kind of makeup still through is Christmas? Madonna is here.
I went body up worse this morning. Remember me tell you that?
Last time she tell me, say,
when you see your people, them see me on road, them tell me, say, me bad up never show them how me can body up this morning again. So I'm bad for bad.
My sister, good to see you. What go on?
Good to see you again.
That's right. So you hug me up first before you body me up. Right. Before you start doing what you're going to do, tell me what you've brought. Let's start from this side and we go down. Tell me what you've brought.
Okay, so we have over here.
This right there.
This right here.
Yeah.
This is gluten.
Gluten?
Yeah. You make the flour, you wash the flour, and you leave the protein.
Okay.
So you need the flour like a dough.
Yeah.
Then you put it into water.
Yeah.
And then when you wash it out, it look like this, exactly like this. No color, no taste. See?
So how you get the color and the taste?
All right. Just like how you have to wash out your clothes when it's dirty. You wash until the water clean. And then you do what you want to do with it. Any seasoning you like, any flavor you like, you just put it in it and you just roast it and you bake it. And tell me what is this?
You
have to tell me. If I question me, I question you too.
Mr. Me know is what?
What
salad.
Tell me. All right. What kind of salad?
That a potato, carrot.
All right, you're gone. You're
you
gone,
know
clear.
What one.
You know what one. And this is the same gluten, so we curry
But it look like curry goat.
Yes, curry goat, right? Because you know the people, most of them want to have something that reminds them of meat.
Yeah.
So.
For some reason, this don't look like the regular rice and peas.
No, Rasta. Because you see this now, them say a Jerusalem peas. I went to the market and I found it very interesting when I asked them, what kind of peas is this? And them said Jerusalem peas. Big up the farmers, them. So I said, what? Coming on to Christmas.
Your work from Jerusalem peas.
Jerusalem peas that carry the swing.
I know what that is too.
You don't say that's supposed to be.
What do you mean supposed to be? Is what?
Tell me how.
They know macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
I don't know the thing. What is it supposed to be though? It was supposed to be what?
It's supposed to turn out different, but the cheese doesn't melt, so that's why it look like that. The cheese, the package mark melting, but
quinoa.
Oh, so you learn. Which school you go? You know, so you take with my style, but I have to watch you, you know. All right, so this is what then?
Regular salad again. This have all kind of thing mixed up. What is this?
Tell me. Lasagna, eggplant lasagna.
I knew that, but eggplant lasagna.
You like eggplant?
I don't know. I don't know if
I ever eat it. You never eat it yet?
I don't think so.
No, Rasta, you not eat good then, man. I forgot to start you out.
What is this?
Okay, this is breadfruit punch.
Breadfruit punch.
With maca powder.
We need maca powder.
All right. Ask them, girl, if you pull it up for you now and tell you what I want. But maca powder is a very potent powder that is very good for you. It has a lot of life-giving properties in it, especially for men.
I like potent. So the whole of this is my own. I love potent. This is what? Ice cream?
And this is ice cream. So tell me what kind of ice cream that?
It is soy.
No.
It's what?
This is soy-free. This is soy-free. So
this
is wait name again? Soursop. Soursop.
Soursop ice cream?
Yes. Why you kiss your teeth for?
Hey,
mine when you do for me show, you know. Mine when you do for me show, you know.
And what you going to make now?
All right, so we are going to show them the same gluten we just show them.
Yeah.
So we are going to show them how we curry it, you know, because curry I carry the swing and enough pepper, lava. And that I go on for the Christmas.
I want to enjoy your friend, because I told you about to see
you want to hear some music, like man. Where the music? Then a Christmas time, man.
I told you about like the band. Music, man.
Music, man.
Yeah. Ever cook with some music?
Yeah. You have to help me, you know. You have to help me. You think they have your pretty looks.
What's up? This no one turn up some more.
All right, then that's why you have to help me.
Yeah. See?
All right. You know what I want.
Yeah. So this is the curry thing?
Yeah, man. This is the one where over there, so we taste like meh. We don't have no meh, you know. Right?
It's a matter one. How you get the
quinoa?
Quinoa too.
Okay, you have different type of quinoa, you know. So this is the multicolor one. So tell me what cut up in that. What is that? What that look like to you?
Onion in it,
And what else?
pepper in it,
What kind of pepper?
green pepper, yellow pepper in it. What that? Oh, me never asked you what this.
Some sorrel glaze.
Sorrel glaze.
Yes, man. We're turning up the thing, you know, at Christmas time.
Yeah. What else in there? I get everything right, don't?
All right, so we have some vegan cheese and all that. So that's mad, you know.
I shall find out.
So why you not get a plate and start
You
sample
don't
the
worry
thing?
about that. What we could talk about.
All right.
What one else or no? Want
I
to turn
don't
up some
know. You
more?
look like it want to turn up some more.
Yeah. No, this
All right,
thing,
so
if
we
you
are-
say I turn down, you turn it down.
We are crush the Irish to give it a flavor. You know? I don't like how you not sample the thing, you know. Sample some juice,
I am
man.
going to sample everything.
When?
When you're done, come on, say, what you going to put in there now?
What this? What this look like to you?
I know everything in life. By the way, you just cook for you and your family, or you sell, or you do cater, what you do?
I do catering.
Yeah?
So if you're getting married and you want me, I'll be there. For any occasion, birthday, party, anything, I'm always there.
Only vegan stuff.
Vegan stuff, straight, ital.
You do raw food?
Not really.
So
No, we do that. We leave that to me hungry, you know.
Yeah.
We put some fire.
We reach now. And we do that.
It a simmer a little.
So how they find you if they want to get you to cater stuff for them?
Oh. What is my number again, Neville?
You don't know.
How you mean you don't know?
Jody, what is? Yeah.
My
Jody,
number is 307-9396.
That's how they find you.
Or you find me Ital Vegan Goddess. Or
Ital Vegan Goddess.
Yeah.
That is on your social media
Yeah.
stuff.
Yes.
So what we wait till that now?
May I wait for you to sample the thing? You know, look like you don't want to sample nothing. Sample the juice, man. Where you think me leave?
You know, from when we want to sample the thing, that we put it where the whole there.
All right.
Sample the thing. How look like now want to come out? Where you say this is?
Breadfruit punch, man, with maca powder.
Really nice. Very, very nice. We
So you know, so you like roast everything.
Me just feel like I want to get closer to you from my drinks.
No, stay far, please. Me allergic. Hey.
They say you're allergic to me.
Yeah, me allergic to you.
You are not allergic
start
to
get
me.
rush.
You're not allergic to it.
Then
You know,
some-
I want taste that I want taste.
You want the mac and cheese?
Yeah, when you're done, you're going to put some
So
little
why
thing.
plate them? So
Me
then-
don't know, is you supposed to bring the plate.
Yeah, they were supposed to send
Fight and
off a
fight
plate
against
so
me.
we can set up a sample and you go
That
and sample
almost
the
finished
thing,
now?
man.
Because we're
Yeah, man.
almost out of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
See?
almost ready now.
You're ready.
You need to turn down this now.
Yeah, then you help me, man.
Yeah,
Me not tell you,
turn
say.
it down now, man.
All right.
So that done?
So that done. So them
Ah.
say we curry the gluten.
No, when it's done, you're going to share. I do not share it until it. When you're done, you share me a little thing.
It done.
Yeah, the day I don't know anything from she come this man. You look like a chef, no?
Yes, for real.
Eh?
You
Chef
look like a
Bellamy. All right, so tell me again where you can be found.
Ital Vegan Goddess.
Yep.
On 307-9396.
Yep.
Or Facebook, Amadana.
All right. What now, how much lead up time I have to give you if I want? Like if I want you to cater for a party, you have to give a week, 2 weeks, how much?
Like 2 days is good
2
enough.
days?
Yeah, man.
It don't matter the size? You turn off the thing over there, so?
Yes, you not turn it off. Then no, me and you not turn it off.
down. You not turn it off. You done?
Yeah.
All right, turn off now then. Yeah. All right. Great to see you. All the very best for the season.
You too, sir.
And hopefully I'll
Enjoy.
see you pretty soon.
Yeah.
As
Thanks
I
for
said,
having me.
yeah, man, outstanding food. And I get regular stuff from her. She's brilliant. Ital Vegan Goddess Amadana. As much as she rough me up. So anytime when you see her on the road, tell her, do not rough me up. Let me the phone now, please. I have to say happy birthday
I'll
to
rough you
someone.
up anytime.
Let me my phone now. When you come back? All right, we're going to go for a break, and when we come back, I'll say that. Delia, where's Delia?